Now I'm gonna show you how to get activation and license key for a whole year for free of WP Rocket. You can log in into any browser of your laptop, mobile and desktop and go to the search bar and search www.akashitltd.com. Now we can see in this page, in the upper side there is a search bar. There we will write WP Rocket. Then it will show you the WP Rocket license key activation. Then you will click on that and add to cart. Then we will give our full information, our name, our phone number and our email address. Then we will give a coupon code. We will write welcome 100. Then we will click on apply coupon. If your coupon code is right, then the price will be reduced to 0. After that, we will give your additional information like your website, login access, username and password. Then we will click into the place order. If you want to know anything, you can contact on their helpline. They usually help within 24 hours. If you want a quick service, then you will go to the support, and after clicking into the support, you will click into the create a new ticket. Then you will write in the subject WP Rocket. Then you will select your product and you will select normal and you will add your website URL and username and password and click on the create ticket. Then they will activate your plugin. Thank you, and please subscribe.